Does YouTube TV have a library? Yes, YouTube TV includes a library feature that acts as a personal hub for all your recorded and saved content. It is one of the key features of YouTube TV, allowing you to organize and access your favorite shows, movies, and events. Key features of the YouTube TV library: unlimited DVR storage. Record an unlimited number of shows, movies, and live events. Recordings are stored for up to 9 months. Content organization. The library is organized into categories such as most recent, displays recently recorded content, scheduled, lists upcoming recordings, shows, movies, and sports, groups recordings by type, personalized profiles. Each user profile, up to 6 per account, has its own library, keeps content separate and tailored to individual preferences. Watchlist. Add shows or movies to your library to keep track of what you want to watch, even if it's not recorded. Access. Across devices. The library is accessible on all supported devices, including smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, and computers. How to use the YouTube TV library. Accessing the library. Open the YouTube TV app. Navigate to the Library tab in the main menu. Adding content. Find a show, movie, or live event and click the Add button to start recording it. For sports teams, you can select to record all games. Playing content. Select a recorded program from the library to start playing it. You can pause, rewind, fast forward, or skip ads if allowed. Managing recordings. Scheduled recordings can be canceled from the Scheduled section in the library.